Hello, beautiful people. How are you doing today? Hope you all are in best of your health and fantabulous as always, and as I always want you to be. Today in School for Elders, I have a very beautiful, inspiring story of Giorgio Armani, the man who is not needing any introduction from anyone because we are all aware about Armani brand, and he is the most successful Italian designer. So why I am talking about him is because he was earlier a veteran in some other occupation. So he started his designing business after 41, where people just plan their retirement and everything. And nowadays, people are taking voluntary retirements also at 35 or 40. So this man has started his business at that time with a new thinking and with a new idea, and his business is hit also, right? We all know Armani brand, and he has been given the title of most successful designer of Italian origin in 2001, and he's the richest designer in LGBT declared community. So there are so many titles which he has received after he started business, and he's one of the richest person also, we all know, right? And the thing is, he is now 87 and he's still going and he's still working. So that's one of the achievement which I can say that you have started. So if we see the journey of his life journey, so if you see your life journey, suppose I have started from Delhi and I'm reaching Mumbai. My how is my journey? Whether I have taken a train, I have taken a plane, I have taken a chopper or jet or whatever, or maybe I have taken a bus by road travel. So whatever I have taken, how's my journey? So if we see his journey, maximum years he has spent in luxury, right? He has worked for that. He has given some value to people. So that's what I want to tell you. No matter from where you start, you know, don't know how much is your journey, right? So his rest of the journey, more than 45 years, he is in luxury, right? So, and he's a recognized, famous face. So you can also start from wherever you want to. And today I have a very, very beautiful wellness mantra. Wellness mantra is on narcissism. Narcissism is one thing which I always told you that you need to be aware of narcissist people. One more trait I would like to tell you about narcissist people is that they will always contact you when they have work, when they need you, and they will make you feel that you are the best person in this earth, you're best person on this planet. So please don't get illusioned by all these words. So that's one thing which I want to teach the world about self love, that you should never be illusioned by words of others. I mean, it's all about log kya kahenge or what people will say, right? So you just need to be balanced enough that even if someone is praising you or even if someone is saying something bad about you, you should remain unaffected. And you know, I have taught you how a person should be giving a feedback to you, right? You can watch my earlier videos in which I have shown you that how we should be giving feedback to you. If the person is giving feedback in that manner, then definitely you can take that feedback. However, if person is only finding fault, that is the sheer way of narcissism. And you might have seen that the oh my god, I was on top of the world, and people have thought that this person made me feel this, that earlier times, now he's saying this. So whatever he says, what you say to yourself, that matters. So fine. So please be aware of such narcissist friends around you, narcissist people around you, narcissist boyfriend girlfriend around you, narcissist parents are also there. I mean, however, they are not doing it consciously, maybe subconsciously something is there. However, you just need to watch these traits. So, in one go, they just make you top of the world, that the person is best in the world, and other, you're nothing for them. And when you're best for them, that means they need you, right? So please, this is one thing which you should be careful, and you need to maintain your self-worth in your own eyes. No matter what people will say, people will change, their situations will change. You are constant, you will also change. However, you should always have your self-worth and self-love for yourself. So on that note, keep on loving yourself, keep on spreading love and positivity, and keep on spreading such inspirational stories. And thank you so much for giving so much love. Thank you so much for sharing these videos, and keep on sharing these wellness mantras. Bye bye. Take care.